Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. African, leaders, that's ECOWAS leaders, meets in Abuja. US UN backs Tinubu's move to restore democracy in Niger. And this is a strategic meeting for them to plan and to see, how and what they can do, bringing their military together to ensure that they restore peace back in Niger Republic. Remember, Niger Republic has been seriously protected over time by, Muhammadu Buhari, who at the moment has done everything they can to ensure that, to put things right in place. So this is exactly what is going on, and we just need to ensure that we do things decently and in order. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, it is time for us to see what Tinubu has got to do. Okay, because Tinubu right now is doing everything he possibly can to ensure that he restore peace in Niger as the chairman. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. ECOWAS leaders meet in Abuja. US UN backs Tamara's move to restore democracy in Niger. In continuous efforts to push back the corporates and restore democracy in Niger Republic, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his capacity as the chairman ECOWAS Authority of Heads of States and Government, will tomorrow in Abuja host a special meeting of the leaders of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. Also, the United States Vice President Kamala Harris, excuse me, and United Nations Secretary General Anthony yesterday expressed strong support for Nigeria's effort to the restoration of constitutional order in Niger Republic. This is coming on the heels of the insistence of the French government on restatement of Nigerian's president and ensuring that Nigerian's president lead ECOWAS in restoring Mohamed Bazoum. Likewise, former Nigerian's president Muhammadu Buhari said he was shocked by the coup and expressed worry about the safety of his friend Bazoum and his family soldiers from the presidential guard. And on Wednesday, what has gone on so far? He said he's traumatized with the activities of these guys. Yesterday, the soldiers named General Abdul Samin as the new leader of the country, with Tonechi warning against any foreign military intervention. President Tinubu had in a statement he personally signed on Wednesday, condemned the coup and is conducting meetings with different heads of state to ensure they restore peace back to Niger Republic. However, those who has carried out the coup has sent a serious warning to Tinubu to ensure he does not involve himself, as there will be consequences of these very actions. So this is what is going on. Why all this is being said and put in place, you will get to understand that Tinubu right now is in the eye of the storm, as he needs to ensure that the meeting is having with all heads of state and different individuals do not lead to the life of the president, will I say former president now, anything happening to him. Muhammadu Buhari was a very close friend and ally to Niger Republic. He did a lot there. He helped the people. In fact, he went above and beyond. And when we wonder, he even told us in Nigeria that leaving, as soon as he stepped down from being the president, as soon as he stepped down from being the president, that he was if anybody disturbs him in Nigeria, he was going to Niger Republic, that is his second home. However, listen, he's not there. He's right now in the UK. is right now in the UK. So there's a lot more involved, my lovely, wonderful people. The people have warned him, saying, people have warned him already, saying that there is more to this than beneath the eyes. Okay, so this is exactly what's going on now. Tinubu has been warned by this guy, saying, don't come close, don't intervene. But however, is he going to take that, because he's holding meetings already to ensure that he restore peace in that very region? But will it be enough? Would that be enough? That's the real question. Will it be enough? So every single person is watching to see how things can, the transformation of things and what can be done in order for us to get this, get this issue out of the way and bring Nigeria to where it needs to be. So it is what it is. And if there is anything we need to do now, is ensuring that we begin to put things in place to bring Nigeria out of the present predicament and save this nation from the hands of those who may want to destroy it. So it is a matter of urgent attention, and every single individual needs to be ready to ensure that we do not allow the same thing over and over again. So this is the time to ensure that we rise up to the occasion and refuse anything that has been holding us back. Okay, so it is something that we should do, and Tinubu right now is in the holding capacity as the president of Nigeria, is in the holding capacity to ensure that until the court decide, he's in that position, he's in that place to see to it what's going on. So every single person is wondering what next. Okay, you know, every single person is wondering what next. With what's going on in Niger, you can see for yourself that there is need for every single person to rise up. So can you see that it is high time? It is high time that we stop, this country from plunging into other things. But the first and foremost thing is for us to even settle our own issue. But Tinubu is the man holding the wheel now, and the chairman of ECOWAS. So at the moment, until courts decide, he has a responsibility to respond to Niger. So it is what it is. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a lovely and a wonderful day. Bye for now.